Hello friends. So today we will discuss about what are the about the objectives. So there are different objectives. Basically, there are 7 objectives available right now. And what are these? And these are basically first is sales, second is leads, third is website traffic, fourth is product and brand consideration, fifth is brand awareness and reach, sixth is app promotions, and seventh is local store visits and promotions. Apart from this, we can also create a Google ad campaign without a goal guidance. Okay, सो बेसिकली हम 7 ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हमें अभी जब भी हम गूगल एड्स अकाउंट में एंटर करेंगे, गूगल सर्च कैंपेन हम लॉन्च करेंगे, या गूगल एड्स में गूगल सर्च कैंपेन्स में क्या गूगल एड्स में अगर हम स्टार्ट करेंगे फॉर रनिंग एनी गूगल एड्स, then we have these 7 objectives. Okay, so depending upon that, we can whatever objective we are looking for, we can get and we can run ads for them.